In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from images using Kapwing. It's a straightforward process that can really elevate your image editing skills. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Kapwing website. You can simply type Kapwing into your search engine and click on the link to the site. Kapwing is a fantastic online tool that lets you create content more efficiently, and today we're focusing on its background removal feature. Once you see the home page, look for the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the login screen. Next, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. You will see an option, Sign In with Google. Go ahead and select that. This is the fastest way to access your projects if you already have a Google account. If you don't, take a moment to create one and then come back. After signing in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here you'll see all your ongoing projects. Locate the project you want to work on and click on it. This will open up your project folder with all your images and files. Find the specific image you want to edit and click on it. This opens the editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, locate the Erase tool. This is your entryway into removing the background. Once you select Erase, you'll see another tool called Magic Wand. The Magic Wand feature is designed to make selecting backgrounds or specific sections of an image incredibly easy. Click on the Magic Wand to activate it. Before you start selecting the background, you might want to adjust the brush size to make the selection process more precise. A smaller brush might be better for detailed areas, while a larger brush can speed up the process for bigger sections. With your brush size set, use the Magic Wand to select the background. Click on the areas you want to remove. The tool should automatically highlight those sections. Once you're satisfied with the selection, it's time to remove it. Click on Remove Pixels and watch as the background begins to disappear, leaving behind a clean, isolated image. Finally, review your image to ensure everything looks just right. If you're happy with the edits, click on Done. Your image, now with its background removed, is ready to be used as you wish. You can download it or use it in other projects. That's it. You've successfully removed the background from an image using Kapwing. With these skills, you're now ready to tackle more complex editing tasks. Thanks for watching and happy editing.